Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos from the recycle bin on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. So in this case, first thing you're going to start by doing is going to your gallery. Now open up your gallery. You're going to go to find the recycle bin. So you're going to tap on the three line here. You might see the word recycle bin or trash on a newer version. Look up here or down below here in the menu section. You'll see an option for your recycle bin or trash, either or. That's going to look like similar icon as this one, and you're going to tap on it, and this is going to show you basically all the photos that are in your recycle bin or trash. And now in order to delete them, you can select individually one or delete, or you have the option to go ahead and select and just empty, which will delete everything, all the photos in your recycle or trash on your Samsung phone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.